Fire Escape Academy training, fire escape inspections. So we're here in Concord, New Hampshire. Two things you need to look at when you're writing a violation for fire escapes. You need to look if it's been kept painted and if it's structurally sound. Let's look at the paint. I do see a little bit more paint than rust, but even though I do see a lot of rust spots, I would recommend a full paint job to this thing. I do see the connections have been the rust. I do see some rust on the connections. I see debris. So structurally, right off the bat, I would write a violation structurally. It is welded, so let me see if it's actually welded. It's riveted. So rivets, we haven't seen those worn out 50 to 75 years ago, so no more rivet fire escapes. You need to change over the new bolts because these rivets have been here since this thing has been built. And I do see the rectangle, what do you call it, the square head bolts. So this fire escape has not been touched since it was basically built. So you need to change over every single bolt because the connection has been penetrated with rust. So you need to change every single bolt on this fire escape to change over. And due to it's not structurally safe because the rust got to all these bolts, and eventually if I was to step on it, I wouldn't feel safe on it. Here at the egress side, I would seal this up because eventually the water will penetrate through there and it'll deteriorate the steel. Steel to cement, they don't really mix unless you really seal it up. You have a good seal, like right here. You see all that? The connection here, down here, needs to